Welcome to my online class where I teach you how to get $30,000 a month online, and it's real easy. All you gotta do is watch this video until the end, but first I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, let's get to it. $30,000 a month without 1,000 subscribers. Can you make it? Yes, you can. How are you gonna do it? I'm gonna explain it to you. You just gotta get a chair, get your bottle of water, and relax through the course. Okay, and this is not a sale course. This is a free course. Listen to what I'm saying. Well, to achieve $30,000 a month, you need to be on your grind. First of all, you have to sign up for a YouTube account, get a Google Accent account, and you're gonna monetize your videos without even being monetized on YouTube. Welcome, you know what I'm saying? So it's real simple, real straightforward. All you gotta do is go online, sign up on YouTube right after you like and subscribe, and make your account and make your own name. Come up with a nice name for your brand. Get a banner, nice profile pic or a logo, whatever you want to go by, and start to film something right now. Think of something, film it. Whatever is, if it's funny, business, whatever you got to do. But right now you got to get this money. But my thing is to tell you about affiliate marketing, passive income, and this is where I'm at with it. $30,000 a month without 1,000 subscribers. You'd be surprised how much money you could be making from ClickBank right now, and that's where I'm with it. So with enough said with that, and ClickBank, you have to promote products that you will get your money from, and it goes straight to your account. And this is the way you do it. You monetize your videos, and the rest is history. But it's a trick to it, and I'm gonna show you the trick to it, or you get $30,000 a month off this ClickBank thing, right? And it's very simple, plain and straight. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Right now, what I'm gonna tell you is, after you create your content and you post your content, and you're gonna monetize your content now, and you probably be like, well, how am I gonna monetize my content without being monetized? That's the trick to it. I see a lot of people on YouTube, they don't tell you the truth. They just tell you about their YouTube check, their first YouTube check, and they didn't tell you you could be making more money than the people who have 1,000 subscribers. It's real, believe me. And I'm here to tell you right now, ClickBank affiliated marketing is the way to go. Trust me. So please like, share, comment, subscribe for the next one. I got your answers.